Ebi bigambirwe Steven Nsubuga orara DC aba district ya Rukungiri ubwo abenakinga omushomo gw'abejo 581 abebino bashomesa ubwo kukundi ihanga lyabo ahari St Jerome Ndama omuri Kebison Town Council mu district ya Rukungiri.
On things which don't concern you and you leave the things which concern you. How do you fail to know the name of the Minister of State for Education and you're in the secondary school? Honorable Chrysostom, you. How do you fail to know the name of the district chairperson in the district where you are, Mr. Geoffrey Chomka? How do you fail to know the name of your RDC?
Any human being without money has no respect in what? In society. When you don't have money, don't expect the respect. Even if you put your hands in every corner and you go like this, when you don't have anything in the pocket, no one will give you respect.
Churchill, when he came to Africa and moved around Africa, he said Uganda is the part of Africa. You never feared to say that Uganda is the part of the world.
Baba muhabeja batendekirwe basimire President Museveni kurugayo n'enteekateeka egi akatandika kukora amashomero ahabwo kuba begire byingi
batwegesa nitotino mugasho amwihanga
kandi ndaganisa gumizamu ninkora nko kuba twegise ukundi hanga ryitu kandi nimpabure imyeto bagenzi banje kugira nti nabo bakundi hanga ryabo nko kuba kwekunda bekunde deni bakundi hanga ryabo.
Omuganda makuru Haji Badru Sebyara RDC ya Bwakisoro yahiga beje okushoma ebya sayansi na karimagezi baba nibenda ngo barugemo cyamani yombero bya nyensya. Ebinebindi abagambiro bwabire natongozaho club ya Patriotism ayishomero ya St Gertrude aho yagira ngo Uganda neyetenga abantu abashomere bya sayansi na karimagezi.
Don't hate sciences. Say, history, divinity, and that no. Yes, divinity is good and history is good, but how can you make the table? How can your history make a table to sit on? How can we turn the money into flour and then you make money? Those of you who are doing entrepreneurship. Those are the issues now in Uganda. We want you to be job creators, not job seekers.
Yashaba okurwanisa omuze gw'abeegi abarukunda kwesharinga omu mashomero.
We discourage strikes. Yes, there might be challenges in a school like this one. It's not easy, especially when the economy is not doing very well. You know what your parents are going through. The little money which they normally gather to bring you here is not easy. The wind, the coldness, the sunshine. So when you come here, please behave.
Knowledge is for the reason. It is not aimless. However, some use knowledge to mislead people and others use knowledge to manipulate people. And since hate is taught, according to Nelson Mandela's book, My Long Journey to Freedom, if hate can be taught, as it was the case in South Africa and other areas who have had genocide, therefore love can be taught to bring people together, to bring nations together, with Pan-Africanism, with our democracy, with our social economic transformation.
Gasha kwa dano basibye na keta tuzarirwe.